The Sanden Sanko 2 is 4 times as efficient as a standard electric water heater, with the highest real-world efficiency in its class. The unit heats water faster, using less energy. The unit has the highest first-hour rating per tank size of any electric water heater. Rebates from utilities make the unit affordable for most household budgets. It can operate at almost any temperature the Northwest experiences. It works down to minus 26 degrees and below Fahrenheit. Virtually no homeowner in the Northwest will ever experience a lack of hot water due to a cold temperature outside. The split system allows the device to be installed in locations where other heat pump water heaters may not fit. Also, since the compressor is outside, you don't have to worry about cold air exhaust, condensate lines, and compressor and fan noise inside the home. The Sanko 2 is an improvement on standard electric water heaters. Standard electric water heaters rely on a heating element installed inside the tank. When in operation, this element heats up the water, which then rises to the top where it's used. This results in a constant inefficient churning of different temperatures inside of the tank. In a Sanko 2 unit, there's no heating element inside the tank. All heat is generated in the heat pump that's installed outside. Cold water enters the bottom of the tank and is pulled through the pipe into the heat pump. There it is heated with the CO2 refrigerant and the heat from the outside air and sent back to the top of the tank. Cold water is pulled from the bottom of the tank. Hot water is then pumped back to the top of the tank. This causes stratification of the two water temperatures inside the tank, helps maintain an average tank temperature that is higher than a normal water heater, and also allows more hot water inside of the tank. The CO2 refrigerant system is entirely self-contained. Installers and users do not need to interact with the CO2 or any part of the pressurized heating system. CO2 refrigerant has a minimal impact on global warming. It's uniquely used in the Sanko 2 with a much lower global warming potential compared to synthetic refrigerants. And because CO2 is a natural refrigerant, it will not deplete the ozone layer.